Bmar here, going to show you how to make easy 4-bean chili with meat. This is what you need, and this. Start by cooking 2 pounds of ground beef over medium to medium-high heat until brown. Pour a cup of tomato sauce into your crock pot. Or if you don't have one, you can use a large pot on the stove. Works just as well, but I like the crock pot better. The beef is almost done. Try to drain all the fat into a jar without spilling, so it doesn't clog up your pipes. Add 1 beer or 2 cups of water to your tomato sauce. Beer is mostly water anyway, and I like the flavor that it adds to the chili. Next, add 1 packet of chili seasoning. Any kind will do, but I like this particular brand. Stir it up well until it's well stirred. Add your ground beef to the crock pot. Rinse your beans well with a strainer to get all that goop off of them from the can. Roll that beautiful bean footage. It's starting to look like chili. If your chili looks like it's too thick, just add some more beer and some tomato sauce. Stir it up and give it a taste. If it seems like it needs more flavor, add some more chili seasoning. This chili kit comes with flour for thickening. Get rid of it. You don't need it. Cook on high until it starts bubbling. Keep stirring. Keep tasting it, and if it seems like it needs something, try adding some salt and pepper. Switch to low and let it cook for an hour or 2, or all day if you want. Don't forget to cover it. This is the color and consistency that you want. Enjoy with your favorite toppings.